stop wasting your credits on Suno AI. And honestly, ElevenLabs is officially old news. I just found a single AI tool that destroys them both. It's called MusicGPT. We're talking next-level music generation, cinematic sound effects, and text-to-speech so realistic it's actually scary. Today, I'm showing you how to turn a simple idea into a full hit song. Let's get into it. Welcome. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to visit MusicGPT.com. Alright, this is where we are going to make some magic happen. The interface looks like your standard ChatGPT or Gemini, but this is actually designed for music and sound. You can create music and instrumentals and even generate text-to-speech with this particular tool. If you click on Tools here, you will see the Create Anything option. With this, you just give it a simple prompt and it will create everything you requested. You can generate sound, which is basically sound effects, and text-to-speech. You can remix a song, replace a part of a song, extend a certain track, and you can even add vocals onto an instrumental, which is crazy. I'm going to test that with you right here. Before we explore the music aspect, we are going to start with the sound generator. After that, we will do the text-to-speech before finally moving to the music creation tools. To start, I'll select the sound generator. With this, you just have to give it a simple prompt describing the kind of sound effect you want. Let's say I want a moving vehicle. So I'll just type the prompt, a moving vehicle, and click on Send. The tool will start generating the sound we requested. Let's give it a moment and see how it turns out. So, the vehicle sound is done. Let's check it out and see what we got. Wow, that is impressive. That is really impressive. Let me try one more sound effect. Let's say a dramatic sound. Let's see what we get out of this. Now, you can also select the duration you want. I left it on 10 seconds because I don't want it to be too long, but you can go from 5 seconds up to 30 seconds. You can also select the variation you want. For example, you can have it generate up to 4 sound effects, so you can choose the one you prefer. I'll leave it on 4 variations, but for the duration, I'll stick to 10 seconds and hit Send. Alright, so the dramatic theme sound is done. Let's check them out. I like this one. I really like this one. That's also good. This is also nice. Okay, so now let's move on to my favorite tool on this list after the music generation, which is text-to-speech. As someone who relies heavily on AI-generated voices, this tool is massive. One thing I love is that it can actually replicate popular YouTubers, you know. For example, we have MrBeast here. If I want to replicate how MrBeast sounds, the realism is so high that you wouldn't even realize it's generated by AI. We're going to test that right now. So I'll click on this MrBeast button here. I'll leave the text prompt as it is. All right, here's the challenge. Make this sound more epic with energy. And I'll click on Send. MusicGPT will start generating the voice in MrBeast style. Let's give it a moment. All right, so it's done. Let's preview it and see how it turned out.
All right, here's the challenge. Make this sound more epic with energy. A YouTube tutorial by BigWiz Media. All right, here's the challenge. Make this sound more epic with energy. A YouTube tutorial by BigWiz Media.
Now tell me this doesn't sound like MrBeast. Just tell me that. It's so impressive. You can also do conversations. This is an automatic preset I clicked on. You can select the voiceover you want here and allocate a specific voiceover for each of the characters listed. So you select the voices, preview them, and then hit send. All right, so that is also done. The conversation we generated is complete. Let's check it out.
First wine tasting notes always sound more confident than they actually are.
Today, we're talking about things people pretend to know about.
I think stock market trends belong on that list too.
You see how amazing it is? Okay, so now we are going to move to the main focus of this video, which is music generation. We are going to create music with it. First of all, I'll click on Create Song here. You can simply select any of the sample prompts provided, but I don't need any of them. I actually have specific lyrics that I want to give to this tool to generate songs for me. I have these lyrics here that I wrote myself using a beat I found on YouTube. So I'll go ahead and copy these lyrics. What I'm going to do is add vocals using these lyrics onto the beat. So I'll click on the Tools menu and select Add Vocals. Then I will upload the instrumental I downloaded that I used to write this song. With the beat uploaded, I'll now add my lyrics. I'll paste the lyrics here. I can decide to make the AI improve the lyrics, so I will ask the AI to improve the flow of the beat. I'll type improve the flow. Good, it has added the prompt, create song with the following lyrics, so I'll hit send. Let's give it a moment and see what we got. It is done generating with the instrumental I uploaded. Let's check it out.
See my life blossom before my eyes. The joy comes with this immensity, me percebeja. So I don't want it to stop. It wasn't long ago, I had nothing, I was starving. And yeah, no right, yeah, I mean it below. Now I have to get used to this new life. Yeah. Star life, my new life. I'm living like a pop star. The feeling is great, oh. Feeling so blessed, so sweetie. Blossom and blossoming, and blossom and blossoming. Man living so heavenly on earth. Bad days are gone, poverty couldn't contest. Oh no, no, never again. Blossom and blossoming, and blossom and blossoming. Man living so heavenly on earth. Bad days are gone, poverty couldn't contest. Oh no, no, hey. I broke my flying wing, but I kept flying. If it no be joy, then I ain't crying. I'm just driving. Born ready, man, a winner. Increasing my commas. Stacking up the paper. Steadily me and no proper. Babylon's in me hater. Come on, let's party. What is now party? Wednesday night, ladies night. Yeah, I'm a DJG. I won the race, I won the war. Poverty on your soul. Rich is life, that they call. Okwa you be na make all. Blossom and blossoming and blossom and blossoming. My
Impressive! It actually even handled the Ghanaian language elements I used and pronounced them exactly how a local would. Okay, so now I have another song. For this particular one, I've actually recorded a demo of it myself. We're going to test the tool with this. We are going to generate a song, but this time I'm not going to use add vocals. I'm going to create the song from scratch without uploading a beat. I'll go ahead and copy my lyrics for the song. I'll toggle on lyrics here and paste them. Remember, I can ask the AI to improve the lyrics, which would change a couple of things, but because I want to compare it directly with the demo I recorded, I'll leave them exactly as they are. I'll give it a simple prompt like, create a song with these lyrics. I'm not going to toggle anything else on. I'll leave it as is and hit send. It will start generating for us. Let's give it a moment and see how it turns out. The song is done generating. Here is what we're going to do. I'm going to play the full song generated by the AI. Right after that, I'll play the demo I recorded. So I'll go ahead and hit play.
Will you marry me? Will you marry me? Primo de maestro. We star. She said, call me on the phone. Anytime you need, I go there for you. Sunny day, rainy day, she go there. She never go leave me to death, do us apart. I carry water, I carry alcohol. I don't see the difference, so go, lobby pan wine. I carry water, I carry alcohol. I don't see the difference, so go, lobby pan wine. Will you marry me? She say I do. For better, for worse. Will you marry me? She say I do. Till they do us support. I follow we're growing up together. I follow we're growing up together. Killing me softly, me na bop. One in alphabet to me, so anything I buy, I go buy for two. I go join, no man put us under. My beautiful Diana, let's start and not in December. Nobody has to know, my sweetie potato. You are my minado. I cannot let you go. Bum bum, my cherry cocoa. My sweetie potato. You are my minado. I don't know let you go. Bum bum, my cherry cocoa. She say I do. For better, for worse. Will you marry me? She say I do. Till death do us apart.
All right, so you have listened to what the AI gave us. Now let me play my own version of the song, and then you can be the judge of which one did it better. I really like how the AI sang the second verse. Okay, so now let's play my version.
She said calling me on the phone. Anytime you need me, I go there for you. Sunny day, rainy day, she go there. She never go leave me till death do us apart. Mama, I carry water, I carry alcohol. I don't see the difference, you go no be palm wine, no. I carry water, I carry alcohol. I don't see the difference, you go no be palm wine, no. Will you marry me? She say I do. For better, for worse. Will you marry me? She say I do. Till let's do us apart. I don't. We are growing up together. I don't. We are growing up together. Share your fell. Oduku yako. Killing me softly, me na bobo. How you na fabeto me so. Anything I buy for two. Uncle China man put asunder. I'm beautiful Diana. You're still not in December. Nobody has to. A sweetie potato. You're my eminado. I cannot let you go. Boom boom sherry coco. My sweetie potato. You're my eminado. I cannot let you go. Boom boom sherry coco. She said I do, I do, I do, I do, for better, for worse. Would you marry me? She said I do, I do, I do, I do, till let's do us apart. Oh, would you marry me? She said I do, I do, I do, I do, for better, for worse. Oh, would you marry me? She said I do, I do, I do, I do, till let's do us apart. Would you marry me? Would you marry me? Would you marry me? Be more. What's that?